In the previous video, I briefly explained range and domain. The only way you will fully understand this is by watching lots of examples, and then you will see what I mean. So here, let's say I've got a function f of x. So the minute I mention I've got a function f of x, it means that I've got a graph that doesn't go back on itself, and then I'm going to put lots of different values into this x and use this x to do something. Okay, so another way of visualizing this thing here is I've got a machine where I will take the value of x, and then I'm going to do something to it. In this case, I'm going to do 1 over x. So I'm going to get whatever number you give me and just get 1 divided by that number, and then I'm going to spit out a number out here. Well, in this case here, if you put, let's say, number 1 into here, if you put number 1 into, let's say this is 1 here, if you put the number 1 into this machine, it's just going to get 1, and then put the 1 into the x here, so it's going to be 1 divided by 1, which it will spit out as 1. So this here will be 1. Okay, and if you select, well, but basically this here is a bit like plotting a graph of y equals 1 over x. But the reason why we want to say f of x equals is because we want to communicate the fact that this line here does not go back on itself. You know it's a function straight away. You know it's going to be a line that doesn't go back on itself. Okay, so hang on. So here you've got this at the moment. You see here, the domain is basically, well, at the moment you've got a machine that's like this, 1 over x, and then you put whatever number into here. Well, the domain is what you're able to put in this machine that will make sense. So, for example, you can put any number along the number line, except from one number, except from the number 0. You cannot put 1 into that machine. So here you've got a machine that's like this. You cannot put 0 into this machine, because in maths, anytime you have 1 over, well, anytime you have something over 0, it breaks down. You just got to come to a stop. It just doesn't make sense, and it's something that I guess you just have to accept that when you have something divided by 0, it doesn't really make sense. You just got to stop. You just got to stop and rethink. It just something's not right whenever you see anything divided by 0. It just doesn't make sense. I guess accept it for the time being that it just doesn't make sense. Something divided by 0. Well, here, given this function here, you know that you know that you cannot put, you can put any number into the machine except from the number 0. You cannot put 0. Well, in this case here, remember the domain is what you can put in a machine. So the domain is everything along here except from the number 0. So here, for you to be able to say, oh, f of x equals 1 over x, well, you've got to give it some extra information here. You have to specify something else, and that something else is that x cannot be 0. Okay, and by the way, the number line, the whole when you have a number line, when 0 here, when you have a whole number, sorry, when you have a number line, the whole number line is what's called real numbers. So yeah, the whole number line is oh, okay. For the time being, this is not fully complete yet, but you know that the domain here, you have to specify this. X cannot be 0. Okay, for the time being, I will elaborate more on it because the video has been dragging on.